Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
I'm up there.
December 31st for DJ. You see outside?
Which part of a Kartel show?
Yeah.
You know most, you're foolish.
What about Papi?
I don't want to show it, you know. I don't want to know.
Time will tell.
If they do good in a class, you never copy.
No, it's like a triangle. I'm out.
Hey, son, like a triangle. Okay.
One word, enigmatic. That is what Kartel, you know what I mean?
Enigmatic. But just do what I want to do.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
What about Papi?
I don't want to show it, you know. I don't want to know.
Time will tell.
If they do good in a class, you never copy.
So, Vybz Kartel being himself again, controversial, and I confuse the populace. I confuse the haters. Yo, before Vybz Kartel go to prison, before social media, I saw Vybz Kartel go to work. Yeah. Remember the man say, yo, him not drop no tune until next year, December.
Fans are still asking for more Kartel. The question they're gonna ask me, are you gonna be releasing new music? When? And possibly who with?
I don't know when they're gonna release those collaborations.
Oh wow.
Right?
Okay.
As far as my production is concerned, because you know I produce most of my songs.
Yeah.
I'll be releasing any songs till next year.
A few moments later.
Me fuck your mother through the prison grill. Me fuck your girl through the prison window. Wet up the pussy with me middle finger.
Yeah man, as long as there are haters, Vybz Kartel like always be controversial. Vybz Kartel like always reign. Vybz Kartel do this before social media. Yo, I only Blackberry, Pin and BBM did about them time they win. Them a say yo, Vybz Kartel slow down. Vybz Kartel now have no lyrics. And the man just use that and build a song. I'm still the lyrics, vocabulary, you see me? Consciousness. See your friend Kartel run out of lyrics. Anything you know say about Vybz Kartel, he might go turn it in a song. He might go be controversial. So Branda asks him the question there. And him read the comments and see people always I say him and Popcaan are good and you see me? Him and Popcaan now go there at the show. What you think the man are gonna do? Just get a simple yes, Popcaan are gonna there. The man are gonna build up anticipation and controversy and make one of the in the comments attack. And I say, yo, Popcaan, you see it? Don't go to the man show, you see me? The man are gonna all, yo, in the social media age, yeah? Vybz Kartel are gonna always reign as long as there are haters. Vybz Kartel are gonna fuel half of the hate. The hate are gonna help build him and make him fine tune. I tell you already, I'm not gonna stop telling you. You see the internet age, yeah man, the man are relish in it. Yo, remember the man telling us that people are like sheep, you know. Not Gaza fans are like sheep, you know. People. So when him see them comments there, him see people with well heap of 8 comments and Popcaan comments and them thing there. The man are gonna just build up anticipation. You see me, you see Popcaan say, yo, you idiot, man, I must do that. And then Vybz Kartel forward out and say, yo, him not sure if him gonna do that. Yes, him probably not sure because Popcaan a big artist and during the time they probably Popcaan have other engagements. You see me, probably him have a bigger show, overseas or something. You see me, and him have to deal with it and him really don't know. But Vybz Kartel now go give a yes or no answer and him read the comments them and see people. I say, yo, Popcaan and Vybz Kartel no good. You see me, Popcaan now go there Vybz Kartel show. He might go give an answer like that. And for the next part of the video, the man gave 2 answers. The man big up Popcaan. And the man say, yo, him not sure. Everybody skip over the part when the man big up Popcaan, you know. The man say, yo, Popcaan never copy. And the whole, yo, Popcaan are one of the biggest artists, and the man not take him not take nothing from teacher. Him not take no bleaching. Him not take no tattoo. Him not take no extension of the ear. Him not take no flow. Nothing at all. The man, yo, Popcaan is like a reggae artist with a dancehall lyrics. The man in him own lane for a long time. Vybz Kartel tell us, say, them man they are gonna get the crown, cause Vybz Kartel spot the talent from early. The man say, yo, Popcaan do good in a school, him never copy. On a jump over the copy part, I shade the man, I shade all such man and certain people, you know. And I big the man, I big up Popcaan same time, but everybody ignore the big up when big up Popcaan, and I say, yo, and I run with the part where him say, him not sure. You see how people stay, people are like sheep. And Vybz Kartel, I got always relish half of them comments there. Long as you don't hate Vybz Kartel, him a go fine tune. Me tell you why people are like sheep. You have this set of video we use to the on Facebook. One of them, you have one girl there at the gas station and try to put gas in her Tesla, Zine, and them a record her. And them a record her and I say, yo, should we help her? And them there say, yo, make we watch and see what she gonna do. And she there try find one hole to put the gas in her, Zine. And to how the woman act, you have a bag of people that say, yo, a fake. Me and one of them I used to say, yo, a fake. And the thing have 1 million views. So 1 million set of people think it real, and probably 1,000 people I say it fake. In our next set of video now, you see them in our next house, a prank, and the same woman where did I try to put gas in the Tesla, and she there in our next video now. So it's a group of them just do videos and a prank.
Why is there a Tesla here? Bro, there's an electric car.
They not understand. It's electric. They can't put electric in it.
Look, you've got an electric car, mate.
That's how you can tell it's a rental.
Bro, what's she doing? Look. Oh, bloody hell, mate.
People are like sheep. You need simple-minded people who not try to look deep in things. Who not go skip over the fact when the man say, yo, Popcaan don't copy. And jump to the conclusion say, yo, man and Popcaan are good and him this Popcaan, and that people are like sheep. And that is why the man said that, because him know who not go run with it. You see me? Say, yo, did the man shade alkaline? Copycat. See me give you some like example. Say, yo, more while people will say, yo, alkaline copy Vybz Kartel, and him fans when I say, oh, tell me, oh. Now ramp with me I go tell you no oh. I go show no oh, you see me? Yeah man, so yo, I'm DJ Dreadbeard. Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you feel like it's a puppy, I go there. If you feel like this is Popcaan, or a big up Popcaan. The man say, yo, him do good in a school and him never copy. The man them will copy, them take time to fall off, little by little. And with that all too stay long on the topic about. Me see people are run up and down in the comment section and say, oh the man, this Popcaan, is it? Yeah, because of that, when I look for that Vybz Kartel like a goon. The man are the king of controversy. A controversy that, you know, the man knows the people have said that about him, so him just fuel it and just keep the fool a little longer, keep stringing on the fool a little longer. You see me? The man and Popcaan good man. You see the man them all have tune and them drop what they and Popcaan always in the comment section and him a answer Popcaan. The man just a goon, one. But when you new to this, you know, Vybz Kartel been do this before social media, and now him there in a social media where him can read on the comments. What the man can read, yo, me say, when the man do lyricist, when them used to, I laugh off a Vybz Kartel and I say the man a do beer, girl tune and the man a have no lyrics. Them the time that the man a have no comments for read, you know, and the man a answer people. We just attack in the streets, you know, just word in the streets, you know. And the man a do tune and a answer, you know. So you imagine when the man can take up his phone and read all of the 8 comments them. What you think the man a go do? The man not go say popcorn and go there. If him know say yo, it a go keep him in the algorithm. You hear the man say, a theme algorithm.
I mean, go and talk about Vybz Kartel. All they do is make the algorithm. You know, go and pick up the algorithm.
Anyway, subscribe to the channel, you see me? I'm DJ Dreadbeard and like the video. I'm out.
Alright, Conrad. Oh, me hang up. Jesus Christ. Then someone could have asked to do some.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.